It is time. It's time for the lightning round. One another seats. And then the lightning round is over. Are you ready, Ski Daddy? Time for the lightning round. Let's start with Quentin in Georgia. Quentin.
Jim, thanks so much for taking my call.
My pleasure.
I wanted to take just a second to wish my wonderful wife, Beth, a happy 38th birthday.
Beth, happy 38th.
All right, I appreciate it, Jim. I wanted to get your take on Newell brands.
You're bottom fishing, and bottom fisher can make a couple of bucks, but I like quality. And Newell Brands is not high quality. It does not have a great balance sheet. Let's go to Terry in Nevada. Terry.
Jim, thank you for taking my call.
Of course.
I hope you and your family are doing well.
Oh, yeah.
I'm calling about Caesars Entertainment. This seems to be coming off its lows, and I'd like to know your opinion on it. And
you know, look, I've said it. I like Penn National Gaming, okay? That's my one. I think that has that great national pastiche without worrying about China. Let's go to Peter in New Jersey. Peter.
Oh, yeah, Jim. I love your show.
Thank you.
Yes, Jim, I have a question. I'd like to have your opinion on a company that is backed by Bill Gates and D.E. Shaw that uses AI to recognize if a drug will be viable for biotech companies. Mm-hmm. And it's called SDGR.
So, yeah, we like this one. For the same reason, one of the reasons why we like NVIDIA. I mean, it's just a very, very smart company. I think it's a great spec, though. I don't want to get any more than that. All right, let's go to Allan in Oklahoma. Allan.
Hi, Jim. Calling about stock SPT, Sprout Social. I have done well with it so far. Do I hold it, buy more, or sell?
We got to look into that. I've been watching that stock go up, and I keep thinking, all right, I got to find out what the heck this thing is. So my bad that I don't know it, but I promise we'll get back. Let's go to Philip in Iowa. Philip.
Booyah, Jim.
Booyah.
I wanted to ask you about Norton LifeLock. In the last week, they posted the beat, or not in the last week, in the last couple of weeks, posted the beat on the top and bottom line, agreed to buy back $625 million in shares. Were upgraded by various Wall Street firms, reaffirmed guidance, and they also have a business model that's very well suited for consumers moving online.
Well, look, I happen to think the world of Norton LifeLock, it was pretty much set up by Rick Hill. And he's got Vincent Paulette in there, who's the chief executive officer, who's sensational. I think this is an undervalued stock, and it should be bought. And we've had so many guests, I haven't had a chance to be able to detail exactly why I like that stock, but I like it very much. John in California. John.
Booyah, Cramer.
Booyah.
First time calling from San Jose, California, but I've been watching you and following you all the way back to the days of guest hosting on Squawk Box with the late, great Mark Haynes.
Yep.
And I just wanted to say a quick thank you. You've taught me so much as an investor. I've learned so much from the show and your books. It's been I can't
you're very kind. Thank you.
So I got a pretty well diversified barbell portfolio, but a little house of pain with Canopy growth.
Canopy is the most legit of all the cannabis stocks with terrific management. It's the only one that I felt can triumph over this crazy period. Now, we do have a lot of short squeezes going on in the group. That's not unusual, but that is the most legit one in the group. Let's go to Jason in New York. Jason.
Booyah, Jim!
Jason.
This is Jason calling from Ossining, New York. Hey, Jim, with all the talk of meat shortages and the rumblings of these guys possibly getting into McDonald's, is now the time to buy into this potential monster stock, Beyond Meat?
Okay, now this thing literally just doubled. I am deeply committed to it, and Ethan Brown. I think it's terrific. If I say yes, buy it, and it goes down 10, you should not be surprised. It is a wild trader. Could it go down 15? Yes. Do I believe in it long term? Probably more than almost any stock that we talk about. John in California. John.
Yeah, from the Bay Area on the left coast.
Perfect.
A Pure Storage, ESPG.
That thing worked its way all the way back. You know, the Flash Enterprise Array, they had the best technology. Others came in. It's all the way back. Pretty good. I got to say, it's pretty good. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by TD Ameritrade. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.